This is the installation of the UDC-05 long towel bar. Package contents: towel bar, anchors, mounting kit, customer support sheet, warranty, installation guide, required tools, drill, quarter-inch drill bit depending on your wall finish, level, flathead and Phillips screwdrivers, pencil, and measuring tape. Installation: place the first anchor, level it and mark the drill holes. Measure 14 1/4 inches from the inner hole and 16 inches from the outer one to place the next anchor, making sure they are aligned and level. Mark the remaining holes by centering the marks. Drill, insert the wall plugs and anchors, and tighten the screws. Loosen the clamp slightly. Install the towel bar. And finally, tighten the clamp again to secure it. Thank you for choosing Elvex.